No, of course, there are loads of things that have to change. We have an economic system that is sexist, that is exploiting the labor of women and girls, that is not counting basically the hidden engine of our societies and economies, because women and girls with their care work are keeping everything running, and without that, everything would grind to a halt. So governments have created the inequality crisis, and they must act to end it. And that is what we are also showing in our report. They must ensure, for example, that wealthy individuals, but also corporations, pay their fair share of tax. Governments must invest in public services, in care, in childcare, in infrastructure like water and sanitation, and they must make sure that paid care workers who do some of the most important jobs in our society, caring for our children, for our parents, for example, governments must legislate to protect their rights and make sure they are paid a living wage to construct or to work on an economy that is not working in favor of the top, but actually in favor of the many, of you and me and of everybody in our world.